Welcome back to Making Financial Decisions. In today's episode, we have an exciting topic to discuss: using AI technology to generate marketing text for a drip campaign targeting potential solar customers. We'll explore how the Genie AI app and other AI tools, such as Chat GPT, can be leveraged for this purpose. But that's not all, folks. We'll also reveal how you can automate text messages using Apple's iPhone shortcut app to reach customers at the perfect time, even when you're fast asleep. So, let's dive right in. Here we have the Genie AI app, a powerful tool generating engaging marketing content. It utilizes advanced AI algorithms to provide you with high-quality text tailored to your needs. Let's give it a try. The Genie AI app will then analyze the characteristics of potential solar customers and generate captivating marketing text, specifically designed for a drip campaign. Look at this amazing text. It highlights the benefits of solar energy, the potential savings, and the positive impact on the environment. This king of persuasive content can effectively engage potential customers and drive conversions. Now that we have our marketing text ready, let's discuss how we can automate the delivery of these messages using the iPhone's shortcut app. With this app, you can create custom workflows to automate repetitive tasks. We'll create a shortcut that sends out our marketing text at 7 a.m., ensuring they reach potential customers when they're most likely to be awake. Let me demonstrate how it's done. You can choose more than one recipient to turn it into a drip campaign, and it sends out the same text to multiple potential customers. But for simplicity, we will only use one. I like to toggle off the Ask Before Run button, otherwise it won't send it out until I approve, and I am usually still asleep at 7 a.m. And that's a wrap for today's episode of Making Financial Decisions. We hope you found the information on AI-powered marketing text generation and automated messaging insightful and valuable. Before we go, I'd like to kindly remind you to support our channel by showing your appreciation. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't miss out on any future content by ringing the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching and being part of our financial decision-making decision community. We appreciate each and every one of you. Until next time, take care and make wise financial decisions. By the way, this entire video was scripted using Chat GPT.